In this video we can see how to remove all the data from the employee table. So we can see that delete all method, which is internally delete all the record from the table. So let's see, in an existing example we can see that key we can write here. Okay, now we can check. First of all, we cross check here. Data exists, we have two records, and application also started. Now we just check out, internally check. Now data all is deleted. So here we not add any parameter, just delete all functional method, it is internally delete all record in JPA. So that's it.